May pinsan ako dati na ano siya, commodities broker.
Mahirap yon.
He was one of the most stressed out persons I know.
Pagka stock market broker ka or commodity broker ka or
Mm.
even forex,
Mm.
stressful kasi they have to think of your basket. They
Mm.
have to understand exactly what's going on inside.
Mm.
Even our fund managers, stressful yon kasi yun ang ginagawa nila araw-araw.
Mm.
What we do only is we understand the basket, we understand the value, yung system, pero hindi kami nagmamanage. There's a
Mm.
professional manager talaga. So
Ah.
kami lang yung nagsasuggest, kami lang nag-i-inform sa clients, this is how the market works, this is how mutual funds,
Mm.
this kind of conservative basket, aggressive man yan. So ini-explain namin yon. Where
Mm.
would you want to invest?
Mm.
And then of course, we listen from the fund managers who
Mm.
give us advice or we give us information and we relay it to our clients.